Today, I'm going to be testing 12 of the biggest sippy cup names and styles on the market to find out which is the most leak-proof and or spill-proof. You're watching Dull Big. Each of the cups you see in front of me has been used by our son for a period of time now. So they all have some real world use on them. None of these are new and have just been purchased for this video. Also, therefore, none of these are sponsored. They've all been purchased with our own money. And why you see so many different cups here, why we own so many different cups, is the result of our quest to find a cup that is actually as leak proof or spill proof as it claims to be. That was a major quality we were looking for in researching each of these cups, and 12 later, we're still not particularly thrilled with any of these. But the question we want to answer today, quantitatively through testing, is which of these cups that you see in front of you is the most leak-proof and spill-proof, and which one holds up to its manufacturer's claims the best. These are all put together correctly. We're going to be doing a very fair test for each one of these. We have 4 of the 360 style cups, 5 of the straw style cups, and 3 of the spout style cups, 2 of which are hard spout, 1 of which is a soft spout. For testing, we're going to be doing 3 levels of testing, and each one is going to be repeated multiple times so that we get fair and accurate data across all these cups. The first test is going to be a simple sitting and then it getting knocked over. Second test is going to be dropping it from a height of a toddler holding it and drinking out of it as if he were standing and had dropped it to the floor. The last test is going to be as if it were sitting in a high chair and were knocked off onto the floor. To make the testing a little bit more real world, I'm actually going to be taking a drink out of each cup before the knockover or the drop actually occurs. That's one thing I have noticed in real world, and I think it applies more to some of these straw cups potentially, but we'll kind of see how that plays out here later, is, you know, if you just fill them up and put the top on them, yeah, they may be decently spill-proof, leak-proof. If the toddler takes a drink out of it and then immediately drops it, you're potentially looking at a sizable mess on your hands. So I want to see how all that plays out, try to make this testing as real world as physically possible and as even and fair for all these cups as possible. Without further ado, let's get the testing underway. First up is the Munchkin Miracle 360 cup. This cup claims to eliminate messes. Imagine a world in which drinks do not spill at all, not on your diaper bag, not on your nightstand, and not even on your eager to learn toddler. Spill-proof sipping. The valve automatically closes when the child is not drinking, creating a leak-proof seal. Next up is the NUK Everlast 360 cup. This cup, along with the other NUKs present, uses the strongest verbiage, in my opinion, for guaranteeing leak-proof, spill-proof functionality. Some quotes directly from the manufacturer is, "Guaranteed to last through toddlerhood without ever leaking or spilling." The cup is 100% leak-proof and spill-proof, guaranteed. That was the NUK Everlast 360 Sippy Cup. Up next is the NUK Magic 360. This 360 cup uses very similar verbiage to the other NUK 360. It says this cup is 100% spill-proof and leak-proof guaranteed. No more worrying about messes. Up next is the Nuby No Spill Edge 360 Cup. No spill, less mess. The no spill silicone rim allows liquid to flow only when your child sips. Alright, up next is the first of our straw style cups. This is from NUK, and much like with the 360 cups, this also uses very strong verbiage from the manufacturer. It is 100% leak-proof, spill-proof, break-proof, guaranteed with seal zone technology. Leak-proof straw with built-in valve, so it's leak-proof, spill-proof even when opened. The straw also features a built-in valve that will prevent spilling even if it's opened and upside down. So again, some very bold claims on this one. Up next is this Playtex Sipsters spill-proof, leak-proof, break-proof straw sippy cup. This one has spill-proof, leak-proof right in the name. Leak-proof seal, 100% spill-proof, leak-proof, break-proof guarantee per the manufacturer. Up next is this Zach Designs straw tumbler. Prevent messes and spills with a straw tumbler that won't leak. Up next is this Tommee Tippee Deco Resealable Insulated Tumbler Flippee Straw Cup. For the manufacturer, this one is a little bit different, which is going to actually result in a little bit of a different testing to keep it fair. But this one says non-spill flip top lid with a very bold clause saying when the straw is flipped down. Now, if you remember the NUK, it said it was spill-proof even when the straw was open. This one is only giving a no-spill guarantee if the straw is flipped down. So to keep it fair, to keep it testing against what the manufacturer said, I will be testing this one in the down position, possibly the up position additionally, just to see if it offers any kind of leak-proof, spill-proof capability in case you happen to like this one, but don't have to worry about the unrealistic aspect of your toddler flipping this down each time in between sips. Next cup on the list is a little bit of a unique cup. It's still in the straw category, but this one also has a SnackCatch on top of it. This one is called the Munchkin SnackCatch and Sip Spill-Proof Cup, having spill-proof right in the name. So this one's kind of interesting because it has spill-proof claims for not only the liquid but also the snacks inside. So as such, we're going to be testing it with liquid and snacks in it. Some claims from them is it makes snacks easy to access but not spill out. And the combination of the silicone straw and screw-on lid's tight seal prevent leaks and spills. Leak-proof and spill-proof. Alright, so now we're moving into some of the more traditional spout-based sippy cups. The first of which is the First Year's Insulated Hard Spout Sippy Cup. This cup claims to be leak-proof. It says silicone valve prevents leaks and helps to keep the drink inside of the cup and off your little one. That's always good. Let's put it to the test. Up next is the Tervis. This is called the My First Tervis Sippy Cup. And this one has very kind of vague claims. It is certainly not as strong a verbiage as most of these other ones have. It simply says the lid also includes a valve and gasket to help reduce spills. So this one doesn't have a 100% spill-proof guarantee, any of that jargon. It is simply just, hey, this is going to reduce messes a little bit. So right out of the gate, I kind of like their honest verbiage with that, but I'm interested to see how it compares to the other ones as far as its performance. Last but not least is this Nuby 2-piece, no-spill, easy grip learner cup. And it claims to have no leaks and no messes. The no-spill spout is designed to prevent drips and spills. Let's put it to the test. After completing the testing of the 12 cups, I wanted to give you my opinion on the overall winner as well as the winner in each category, because to be fair, we're kind of testing 3 distinct categories of cups, and I think it's still fair to look at an overall winner, but I think it's nice to have a winner from each category. And I also just want to touch a little bit on some other issues, some honorable mentions, and then kind of reference back to some of these manufacturer claims to see, did anybody really live up to that? And without further ado, the absolute top performer overall was what is called the first year's Insulated Hard Spout Sippy Cup. And it certainly performed the best, but when looking at their claims, leak proof, I would certainly call it leak proof. You're not going to get any leakage, but on the spill side it then says silicone valve prevents leaks and helps to keep the drink inside your cup and off of your little one. This is one of those cups that had the least strong verbiage as far as being spill proof. They don't even necessarily technically say it's spill proof, yet it outperformed all of these other ones that have extremely strong verbiage claiming to be 100% spill proof, leak proof guaranteed. So, somewhat surprisingly, just based on the claims from all the manufacturers, this one outperformed, and by a pretty large margin in my opinion, just based on the evidence of liquid that spilled out of it. Second, and also top in the straw cup category, is this Playtex Sipsters spill proof, leak proof, break proof straw sippy cup. And it wasn't second by a lot to this the first year's cup, but it was certainly first out of the straw category. And per its claims, it has a leak proof seal, which I would definitely agree with that. But then it says to be, and this is one that has a little bit of a stronger verbiage, has 100% spill proof, leak proof, and break proof guarantee. Well, we weren't really testing breaking, but it certainly didn't break with our testing, and we had a height for our tallest, hardest testing. But certainly I would say leak proof. Spill proof though, 100% spill proof, I think that's a pretty strong claim. None of these cups, even the best one, we still had spillage out of even the best performing one. So for any of these cups to say 100%, I kind of take a little bit of a problem with that, but this is just for you to be able to make a determination, hopefully based off the evidence we've shown you, if leak proof, spill proof qualities are important to you when purchasing your sippy cup. And then the worst performing group by far was the 360 sippy cup, 360 style sippy cup. And I understand that at certain stages this might be the only option, it's the best cup to use, so we still want to know what was the best 360 cup out of the group, and it was this NUK Everlast 360 sippy cup. Now this one by far has the strongest verbiage of all of the brands on here, and they kind of use the same verbiage over and over again, whether it's their straw cup, their 360 cup, and specifically this one says, guaranteed to last through toddlerhood without ever leaking or spilling. It also says the cup is 100% leak-proof and spill-proof, guaranteed, in all caps. And it was the best performing 360 cup, but even the best performing 360 cup was still worse than all of the straw cups and all of the hard spout cups. And again, not only was it worse, but when you compare it to their claims, this probably has the strongest claimed verbiage and guarantee of being leak-proof, spill-proof on here. It may be leak-proof. I would certainly not call it spill-proof under any conditions. Now, most all of these on the simple knock over test perform pretty well, but once you got to a toddler drop height, and especially once you got to a high chair drop height, that's where things really started to, that's where the rubber started to meet the road, and we started to see some of these claims really become not so true. Now, one last mention is we had no real catastrophic failures with any of the 12 cups. You know, high chair drop height is pretty decent height. Nothing broke. Nothing really came apart except this Nuby. It's called a Nuby No Spill Edge 360 cup is what it's called. And it's kind of unique because it has this one silicone piece top versus having multiple pieces. But in our testing, on the high chair test, it kind of had a catastrophic failure because it came undone and therefore half of the contents spilled out after that test. I understand what is at play here. I understand that a perfect sippy cup probably can't be made, probably doesn't exist as far as for spilling and and leaking, and I understand that there are a lot more factors that make each one of these great cups. This might be the best cup for dental or for whatever other features, but it certainly isn't for the spill-proof ability. The best cup here for spillage or leakage may not be the best for other categories, but when strictly looking at these manufacturer claims of leak-proof, spill-proof, very, very, very few. I have to commend some of the ones that were pretty honest or very light with the verbiage of their spilling, and yeah, I would say that's fair. But to give these crazy guarantees, and it's why we have accumulated 12 cups, because we buy a cup, we research and we buy a cup based on these claims, and it doesn't perform. So we purchase and try another one, purchase and try another one. And honestly, the results, I think I'm not totally surprised with most of them. I would say it's effectively what we have seen real world. And, you know, this is the cup that we're pretty much on right now for various reasons, but it's one of the most spill-proof, leak-proof ones in real world and also in testing out of the bunch. So I appreciate you guys watching this today. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully this might help you make an informed buying decision. I'm doing this strictly because I haven't seen this out there anywhere. We have wanted to know and see testing, and I tried to perform the best, what I think is real world testing I could come up with. And so if you like this, please like, share, subscribe if you want to see more content in the future. This is a generic home-based channel, so we might have everything from Sippy Cup testing to home renovations, you name it. And furthermore, if you have any cups that wasn't on this initial list of 12 that you think might be better, please drop it in the comments below. And if you've seen anything that, you know, contradicts any of our testing, also please feel free to comment below. Any and all comments and interactions are certainly welcome. So I appreciate you guys watching. As always, dwell big wherever you are. Thank you.